Hi there. Need to save a specific portion of a video? VLC Media Player lets you record and extract any part you want. First, enable the Advanced Control panel. Go to the View menu. Select Advanced Controls. The Advanced Control panel now appears. Navigate to the starting point where you want to begin recording. Press the Record button and let the video play through the portion you want to extract. Press the Record button again to stop capturing. The extracted clip is automatically saved to your videos folder.